Hey guys, BTC202 Films here with a video update. It's Train Funnies Part 10. So again, thanks to all who inspired me to keep going and, sending me messages for updates and stuff, and who should be in the next video and credits to other people and stuff, all that stuff. So yeah, thanks again. And you're probably wondering, wait, is this the end of Train Funnies? No, it's just the end of the first season. That's right, these things are gonna go into seasons. Enjoy. So the reason why I'm creating these series, or seasonal Train Funnies every summer, is because of the fact that many, or maybe one or two of my episodes, have not really been funny and have been produced in a sloppy, stupid manner, and the jokes really aren't that funny. And the video actually, if you look at Train Funnies number 9 from the first season, once this gets to enough seasons then you won't know which one. But in season 1, episode 9, the joke with the CXS and Conrail, that was actually a filler because I couldn't really find anything else that was funny enough. So these seasons are going to allow me to go out, create, and find images that I can edit and create jokes that are actually funny and not jokes that are stupid and are actually just stretched to make the video longer and make it seem like it's full of jokes, but in fact it's only like 2 or 3 pictures that are stretched to like 5 hours. So, thanks for watching. Season 2 will start up soon.